Rat Fitty 44. Rat Fitty 44.
Welcome back to Ratface 44 Reviews. My name is James, and today we're going to see if we're going to repair version 1 Scarlet straight arm. Hopefully she doesn't break. Stay tuned, and let's get this started! Alrighty then, let's take a look at all my tools I have set up here. You're going to need to repair Scarlet, and I have an extra O-ring. I have the larger screwdriver here. I got the smaller one. I got a Q-tip. I got some alcohol. Got the figure, of course, and I got a hair dryer. Very important to have this hair dryer just to soften up the plastic. And fingers crossed it doesn't break. Let's get the figure out of the container here. Protective case. Screw looks a little stripped. That is unfortunate now that I have the light on. But first step is going to be a little bit of alcohol. I know the screw doesn't seem to be rusty. Maybe I can remove the scuff with the alcohol. Never mind. So I'm going to put a little bit of alcohol on the tip of the screw. Maybe the reason why he sold this to me for $10 is because the screw is stripped. I'm not going to force anything. So next step, I'm going to heat her up. So it's about less than a minute, I say 30 seconds. So let's see what happens here. See if I can get a lock in. So it does lock in a little bit. So I would suggest to put even amount of pressure and make the turn. Made a little snap. This might not turn out very well. It feels like it's turning, I hope. I'm going to try this smaller screw. Oh, it feels like it's turning. I think it's loose. Oh, yeah. It is loose. I think I'm going to have to replace the screw. Oh, it is free. Oh, that is awesome. I'm excited. She is. She has been disassembled. That is awesome. I am very happy for that. Wow, that is a really old O-ring. It just falls apart. Alright, let's take a look at the screw. Now that I have light here. It does look okay. Might be able to reuse it. So let's put her back together to her former glory. Go, got our legs. Got to be very, very careful. This is really old plastic. As old as me, or older than me. No, this is really old plastic. Almost as old as me. So I got the thinner O-rings here, which is perfect for these Joes. Alright, chest piece. Sorry if I'm being a little quiet, I'm trying to concentrate here. Okay, she is together. I'm gonna use the old screw, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna put it tight just enough. So let's take out the correct screwdriver. This one should be fine. Here it is. This is what I should have used in the first place. I'm pretty lucky that I didn't royally screw up the screw. That would have been really unfortunate. And this one is magnetized, so yeah. I'm not going to do it tight just until it stops. Press the body in a little bit. That'd be good enough. And there you have it. Straight arm Scarlet. Oh yeah, there's no hole at the bottom of her feet. Usually I use sticky tack and I put it on a stand. It seems like the O-ring is a little too big for Scarlet, but still an amazing example of version 1 Scarlet. Very shiny and nice. Take a little closer look. Very little wear on her hair. A little bit of bump in the road, but we were able to repair Scarlet to her former glory. So little scuffs on her hand, but relatively this is mint. I would give this like a almost a 9. Like an 8.9 condition. Beautiful. Success, everybody. So thank you very much for watching. I appreciate all my subscribers. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I got a lot more content coming for you and Yojo and Cobra.